So welcome to my first video, and for today's video I'm gonna showing you on how you can screenshot with frame in your Technophone. So let's get into it. But before we start, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my contents. So first thing you're gonna do is take a screenshot, and there's a lot of ways to take screenshot in your Technophone. You just gonna swipe up the control center and click that screenshot, or the smart file screenshot, or you go to micro intelligence and take 3 screenshots with fingers, maybe like that. And now let's do it. So now, how to screenshot with frame like this. So I'm gonna showing you that. So let's just get a screenshot, and then click this edit button and click frame screenshot, and as you can see, there's a frame on your screenshot. It's actually the frame of the phone, and you can actually add some doodle and then arrows, also circle like that. And if you're done, click the save button and go to your gallery, and there is our screenshot. As you can see, it has a frame, and it's actually a great feature for your phone, for the iOS of Tecnomobile. And if you like it, and if you have a Technophone, maybe it will not work on all Technophone for older Technophone, but hey, if it will work, it will be helpful. And if it's helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. This is RMPHQ, and I'll catch you in the next one.